Hey everybody, Lady B here. We're going to call this part one of the 2016 storm. There's my sidewalk. I shoveled it. Whoops, my door just came open. I shoveled it at 12:30 this morning. You couldn't even tell it by 3 o'clock. Anyhow, this is what I just did, and actually it was clear. Whoops, it was clear. Let me go up here and shut my door before I lose all my heat. And here's my yardstick still stuck. And it says almost 9 inches. But anyhow, this goes over to my tenant's apartment. Oh, excuse me while I go up the steps. Oh, okay. Now you can see. Everything's white. There's hardly any traffic moving. Once in a great while you'll see a vehicle go by. And I'm not going to worry about shoveling Rose out because I don't figure she's going anywhere. But this is what's piled up on my banisters. And you can see in the light there that it's still coming down, and it's probably about 5:45, maybe 10 till or something. But anyhow, that's all for now, and we'll add to it probably in the morning or whenever I get up and out. But I am done for tonight. It's not a heavy snow, but my leg is absolutely killing me, and I don't want to start cramping up. So I'm going to quit for now, and we'll see what we got in the morning. So we'll be back. Hey everybody, Lady B here. This is part 2, and I hope the final part of the snowstorm of 2016. Today is Saturday, and hopefully we'll get all the snow we're going to today. Let me show you what the yardstick says right here. And right here it says almost 10 inches, but the wind blows from here. So they say we got 12 plus inches, but the wind blows the snow over that way. So that's where the snow drifts are. And sorry about being so shaky. I just got finished shoveling a little bit. And no, not much. I just shoveled past the sidewalk and over, and one path over to the van. It's about all I can do for now. And my back of my leg is killing me. But I'll have to dig myself out because it's supposed to get to 6 today, or tonight. So I want to dig myself out so it won't turn to ice. And take you out this way. And we actually have asphalt visible. The road crews were out all day, or all night. I could hear them scraping and putting down salt and stuff all night. So there's one lane that's clear. Oh, and there's crazy people out walking in this. I watched on the security camera all night long. People walking. Oops. And let me show you the path that I shoveled to the van. And that's about all there is. And take you over here and show you Rose's steps and her porch. But she says she's going to use my shovel here in a little bit to shovel out. It's thank God it's a light fluffy snow. I mean, it's heavy, but at least it's a fluffy snow, and we didn't end up with any power outages, at least not right here. I know that there are several